This 2022 Thor Omni RS36 is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll notice your booth dinette seating, which can be converted into an additional sleeping space. Next to this is your loft bed with a flat screen TV. Here you'll also find a motorized window shade. Across from the dinette is your theater seating. And by the entry door is a touchscreen control panel which controls various coach functions such as your lights, climate controls, and generator. Your kitchen includes a sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop alongside a single true induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and a fridge. Moving into the back of the coach, you'll find bunk beds in the hallway leading to the master bedroom. In the master bedroom, you have a king-size bed with a multimedia head unit on the side and overhead speakers. At the foot of the bed, you'll see cabinet storage and another flat-screen TV. Your coach is built on the Ford F600 chassis. It has a 6.7-liter Power Stroke 4x4 V8 turbo engine with 330 horsepower. Returning outside, make note of your exterior storage and the location of your power hookup. Your coach is equipped with a rear backup camera. On the entry side, you have an exterior kitchen with a sink and a mini fridge, and closer to the entry door is an exterior flat-screen TV. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.